Hello to anyone who is watching. Today, out of sheer randomness, I woke up and decided to make a dessert for BlackPink Rose. Now, just so you know, I have never met Rose in person other than when I went to a BlackPink concert when BlackPink was in my area. But I'm a huge fan of BlackPink and I thought, hey, how do I show my dedication to being a Pink? I can somewhat cook, so here we are. I wanted to make a dessert that's special and that she herself would like. So I googled Rose's favorite fruit and from some sites it mentioned that she loves mangoes. And I needed more proof, and not just because I wanted to watch more videos of BlackPink. I found this video where she actually said in several interviews that she liked mango. So yay, we have a flavor. So I sat down and started sketching what I wanted the dessert to look and taste like. I came up with the idea of having it look like a pink rose and made from mango mousse with a layer of mango puree, vanilla cake and chocolate biscuit crumbs to add diversity of flavors, and all glazed with baby pink mirror glaze. Now in theory, this sounds great. Until I went to look in the kitchen to see if I had any of these ingredients, and I didn't have time to go grocery shopping, so I improvised. Okay, so let's start making the dessert. I cut half of a mango into small pieces, chunky enough to make it into a puree, and put it in a saucepan. I put it in this little saucepan because I was making a very small batch and I hate doing dishes. So yeah. Next, bloom the gelatin powder with some cold water, enough to let it dissolve, and wait until it bloomed or until the gelatin has completely absorbed all the water. Microwave this until it's melted and add it into the mango puree that's in the saucepan. Scoop the mixture into a mini hemisphere mold, small enough that it will just fit into the rose mold that you're going to use, and put this in the fridge to set. Take a yolk and add some sugar, mix it with a whisk. Heat up some cream in a pan until just boiling. Add this hot cream into the yolk and sugar mixture while whisking continuously. Bring that mixture back into the saucepan and heat it until it's thick. I didn't record this part because my small pan was still hot at the time, so when I put it in the mixture it instantly became thick and I missed recording it. Next, whisk the cream until just stiff and add the thickened mixture in. Fold the mixture until smoothly combined. At this point, you should actually add the melted white chocolate in the yolk mixture and then the cream, but my brain couldn't brain, so I did it this way. Hopefully, it won't mess up the end product. Now add pink food coloring to this mixture. Now the other layers are a chocolate cake and a biscuit layer, so cut those with a circle cutter that fit the rose mold too. And assemble everything together and freeze it until the outer layer sets. Now the reveal. It turned out better than I expected, and the layers look super cool. And the taste is mangoey because of the mango puree, and the aftertaste is chocolate and vanilla because of the outer layer mousse. I'm super excited of how it turned out, and if I was given a chance, I would present this dessert in front of Rose and really hope that she likes it. Okay, that's it, I guess. Comment below on which member of BlackPink I should make a dessert for next, from any member from any K-pop group. See ya!